Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Lucky, the villager from Animal Crossing. It's going to be the mummy dog. We're going to start with the little eyes right in the center of the page. Right around here, we're going to start with a big oval. Then we're going to add a little circle for the highlight. And we're not going to color this because he has yellow eyes. So once you have that done, let's add in the head. We're going to go to the top right, just around here, and we're going to go curve all the way to this point for the top of the head. So you want to just connect the two, like so, and that's going to be the top of the head. And we're going to save some room for the ears, so we're going to go down to the right of the eye around here, and we're just going to draw in his head shape, which is like almost like a jelly bean shape. So starting from here, we're going to go down right here, and then we're going to connect it all the way back up. To here. With that line done, let's draw in the ear on the left side. We're going to start from the middle of the head right around up here, and then go out and in for the first ear. And then we're going to draw in the second ear on the right. We're going to go down to this point, and we're going to actually leave a little space for his little arm right around here, and we're going to continue it right up to here. Make sure to have the space because that's where the arm is going to be. For the body, we're going to start from the middle of the neck right around here and go down, and then we're going to go across and back up. Save a little room for the arm. And let's add in the arm we're missing. We're just going to do a little curve, go up and down, and let's just connect the ear right there. With that arm done, let's go on the other side, add the little arm on this side. There you have it, just the other arm. Let's finish off the face before we move to the rest of the body. For the face, it's really simple. We're just going to do some curved lines. Starting from here, we're going to curve down to that point, and we're going to repeat the same curve for the first bandage. With that bandage done, let's just repeat it a few more times. We're going to start from here, curve, here, curve. And let's just do a few more. Here, curve, here, curve. It's really simple, just layering up these curved lines to create the bandage. So we're going to do one above his eye right here, and repeat on top. Let's just add a few more lines. 1, 2, 3. And let's do 2 more right behind the eye and right below it. That's looking great. With the face done, let's add in some bandages for arms, which is going to be just these little small lines across his body. And same for this side. Let's just add a few lines. And then let's do the legs. The legs are really simple. We're just going to draw this long U shape on one side and repeat it on the other side. And that's it. And we just need a little bottom right there. And that's all you really need. And let's do the bandage lines on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And see, he is a dog, so let's add in a little tail. Right there, really cute little tail. And then he does have this cool 23 on his shirt. So we're gonna just add in the 2 and the 3. And I think that's all we really need for Lucky the dog. Let's add some color real quick. And there you have it. Lucky from Animal Crossing. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.